Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today USDC video update. And so USDC did made a move pretty much to the upside. Yesterday I did actually enter a trade in our signals for USDC, and we quite got this bull pennant right here. So all you did is you went to the upside like this, consolidate sideways, break the pennant, move to the upside. I did get all of that thing. I did get an opportunity to trade again, but however you start to make a distribution here, and this could just be a huge double bottom at the moment. Okay, so if that double bottom does play out, then we're looking for another drop to the downside, and I'm going to show you that drop. So you can already see that is a double top right here, and you've already broken out of the neckline if you look at it that way, and I do expect a technical target to go from there to there, and you might be looking for USDC to at least come down to nearly 3027, 0.03 actually. Okay, so 0.03 is a price target that you can actually go down, and keep in mind this is still a support nonetheless, because you do have a touch right there, you do have another touch right here, you broke to the upside, and perhaps this is just a retest here, and that could be another entry opportunity. From here you can absolutely continue to move to the upside, okay, as long as you're going to hold support. Now however, if you start to come down and close at nearly 0.026 and you stay below that line, there could be chances you're coming down to 2026, which on a higher time frame is this trend line here. That's the only sense that makes at the moment. If you're ever going to lose 0.026, then you might be just coming down to that trend line again, bounce off the trend line, and then finally go back up, liquidate everyone who's getting bullish. But at the moment, this is an amazing thing that is happening, because you have a low, you have a higher low, you come down a little bit, consolidate here, you go up, you have another higher low, and you might be creating a huge channel in this sense like this, and then the next target goes up like that to 53, and then you come down to 41, and then you just make a channel and completely go up, just the same way you made a channel of a downtrend, you make the channel of an uptrend, because it's simple in crypto. Whenever you break the trend, you make a new friend, right? So the trend is your friend until the end. Break the trend and make a new friend. That's pretty much the saying out there. So that's pretty much it for this USDC update. Hope you enjoyed this quick one. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.